Today we are going to discuss class 10th of mathematics revision of part B. So friends, as yesterday I informed you, we are going to discuss the 2 marks question of part B. Means in this we are going to discuss only and only the 2 marks questions. As I told you that the chapters from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we have taken, and I sent you a few questions. Those questions we are going to discuss right now. So friends, I think the questions you are having, you have taken the printout also and you have written the questions also. So those questions we are going to discuss right now. So see, the first questions of this section we are going to discuss. Question number first is given, find the HCF of the following by Euclid's division lemma. So the first question is given, find the question number 1, find the HCF of the given number of the following by Euclid's division method. Euclid's division method. Right friends? So with this method we are going to find out the HCF of these two given numbers. First number is given 736. First part of this 736 and 85. Right? So this, as there are two numbers, we are going to find out the HCF of this. And you know that Euclid's division lemma is, what is Euclid's division lemma? What is Euclid's division? In this, there is the formula is A is equals to BQ plus R, where A is the dividend, B is divisor, Q is the quotient and R is the remainder. This is given. With this method we are going to find out the HCF of these two numbers, right? So as in these two numbers, since 736 is greater than 85, right? Since 736 is greater than 85, therefore we have to take this 736 as the dividend and 85 as the क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, बात सुन मारी आपको? तो 736 को हम एज अ डिविडेंड कंसीडर करेंगे और 85 को एज अ डिवाइजर कंसीडर करेंगे. सो लेट अस डिवाइड दिस 706 and 13 minus 8 is 5. 56 is the remainder. So according to this formula, by Euclid's division method, this, if you are taking A is equals to 736 and B is equals to 85, then you can write this 736 is equals to 85 multiplied 8 plus remainder is 56. Right friends? Any confusion? This, अगर आपको कोई भी confusion लगे, so अब you can divide and check it. 8 5s are 40, 8 8s are 64, plus 4 is 68, and subtract, we will get remainder is 56. Right friends? Now the next part is the given. Next part is this quotient is going to be divided by this remainder. Right? Now in this next step we are going to take 85 as a dividend. 85 as a dividend. So 85 as a dividend and this 56 as a divisor you have to take. So 56 as a divisor multiplied by, मैंने आपसे पहले बताया कि आपको अगर कोई भी कंफ्यूजन लगे so you can divide it. So this 85 divided by 56. I think ones you can take. So you will get 56. Let us divide it. Let us subtract it. 15 minus 6 is 9 and 7 minus 5 is 2. 29 is the remainder. So this 85 can be written as 56 multiplied by 1 plus remainder is 29. Right? So is there any confusion? So now again you have to repeat this process. So easily you can get the HCF of these number when the remainder becomes 0. Now this 56 is to be taken as a dividend and 29 as a divisor. 56 equals to 29 multiplied by, again you have to multiply, divide it 56 by 29, right? So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are you can take, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. This gives you also that more than 56, so you have to take 129 ones are, so 29 ones are 29, subtract it, 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 is 7 and 4 minus 2 is 2, so remainder is 27. So therefore 29 multiplied by 1, remainder is 27. Right friends, again take 29 as 27, 29 as dividend and 27 as divisor. So 29 equals to 27 multiplied by 1 plus remainder is 2, right? 27 ones are 27 plus 2 is 29, right friends? Okay, once again repeat this process. So 27 as a dividend is equals to 2. Once again, if you have confusion you can divide it. So 27 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 7, 2 3s are 6, 1 is remainder. So you will get 2 multiplied by 13 plus remainder is 1. Right friends? 2 multiplied by 13 plus remainder is 1. Now you got 2 and 1. 2 is as dividend, 1 is add, 1 2s are 2 plus remainder is 0. Therefore, as we got the remainder is 0, हमें क्या मिला? हमें remainder 0 मिला. So remainder 0 means this divisor is the HCF of these two numbers. So what is the HCF of these two numbers? Therefore the HCF of these two numbers is, therefore HCF of numbers, which one? 736 and 85 is 1. Right friends? Any problem? So you can ask the question on my personal number, right? So in this first question there is second part also. Second part you need to solve. Let us discuss. Let us start the question number 2, part number 1. And in this question number 2, it is given find LCM. Hope you all understand. In this question number 2 is given find LCM of the following by prime factorization method. So let us find LCM. Question number 2. LCM we are going to find out by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Method. Right? Your first part in this is given what? 360 and 140. So the first part, the numbers are 360 360 and second number is 140. So as it is given, find LCM by prime factorization method. So we have to first of all factorize these two numbers separately. So let us factorize in the solution of this. 360 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 60, 16 and 0. Once again by 2, 2 9s are 18, by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Then now this 45 is not divisible by 2. So divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, again by 3, 3 5s are 15 and by 5, 5 1s are 5. So we got all the factors of these number. 360 is equals to 2 raised, how many 2's are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 2 raised 3 multiplied by 3 raised 2 multiplied by 5. 3 raised 2 multiplied by 5. So now let us factorize the second number 140 also. And इसको factorize कर लेते हैं. 140 by 2, 2 7s are 14, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, by 5, 5 7s are 35 and by 7. So we got the factors, prime factors of the number 140. The prime factors of 140 are 2 raised to, because there are 2 2's, multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Multiplied by 7. So as we are going to now, the thing which is we have to be careful here. यहाँ पे हमें HCF और LCM दोनों को फाइंड करने के दो डिफरेंट मेथड्स हैं. So what you need to do, you have to be careful how to find the LCM by this prime factorization method. So in the LCM of these two numbers, LCM of the numbers 360 and 140 equals to, let us observe these things. The thing which is common, take the highest power of this. Like 2 is common and the highest power of 2 is 2 raised 3 multiplied by, now 3 is not common, so you have to take the thing which is not common also. So 3 raised 2 also. Now 5 is common but its power is same, and 7 is also not common. So this, the multiplication of these numbers are LCM of these two numbers. So let us multiply it. So 2 2's are 4, 2's are 8, multiplied by 3 3's are 9, multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. अभी हम इन सब का मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. 8 5's are 40, multiplied by 8 5's are 40, multiplied by 9 7's are 63. So let's multiply it. 0, 4 3's are 12, carry 1, 4 6's are 24, plus 1 is 25. 2520 is the answer of our question. Right friends? So हमने आपको LCM और HCF में what to be careful that I told you. LCM में आप क्या करेंगे? LCM में आपको इतना ध्यान रखना है कि जो नंबर्स कॉमन होंगे उसके हाईएस्ट पावर को लेंगे, और जो नंबर्स कॉमन नहीं होंगे उसको भी कंसीडर आप करेंगे. ठीक है? HCF में जबकि ऐसा नहीं होता. HCF में जो कॉमन होता है उसका लोवेस्ट पावर लेते हैं. ठीक है? सो इसका सेकेंड पार्ट आप लोग सॉल्व कीजिएगा. कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो उसको डिस्कस करेंगे इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन. राइट? सो लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑफ दिस पार्ट. राइट फ्रेंड्स? कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पे कॉल कीजिएगा या फिर व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. in this third question, it's given that in the third sum, it is given that if 3 is a zero of the polynomial, question number 3, if 3 is a zero of polynomial p of x equals to 3x cube minus x square, 3x cube minus x square minus ax minus 45, then question is asking find the value of a. Find the value of a की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है. As what is given that 3 is a zeros of this polynomial. 3 is a zeros of this polynomial. It means this 3 is a value of x, or you can say this 3 is a solution of this question. इस polynomial का 3 क्या एक solution है, एक zero है. So since 3 is a zeros of this polynomial, therefore since, see the solution of this question, since 3 is a zeros of this polynomial, 3 is a zero of polynomial of px, therefore x is equals to 3 is a solution of this, is a zero of this polynomial, or x is equals to 3 satisfies this polynomial. Satisfy p of x. And what is the meaning of satisfaction of this x is equals to 3? Means when you substitute this value of x is 3 in this polynomial, you will get the value of polynomial is 0. Right? So since p of x is equals to 3x cube minus x square minus ax minus 45 equals to, this is the value of our polynomial. ठीक है, जब हम x की वैल्यू 3 इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो इस p of x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 0 हो जाएगी. So let us substitute x is equals to 3 over here. So 3 into x cube means 3 cube minus x square, it means 3 square, minus a into x, that is 3, minus 45 equals to 0. This means that this 3 satisfies this polynomial. And there is a 27 minus 3 3s are 9 minus, this can be written as 3a and minus 45 equals to 0. Right? Any problem till here? अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसको easily simplify करेंगे. First of all, you just simplify this one. 3 into 27, 3 into 27 is 81 minus 9 and 45. You can add it. If you are adding this is 9 and 45, you will get 54 minus 3a is equals to 0. ठीक है, अभी हम क्या करते हैं, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. This we are going to subtract 81 minus 54. So 81 minus 54, 11 minus 4 is 7, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So you got what? 27 minus 3a is equals to 0. Therefore we will get minus 3a is equals to minus 27. Minus is cancelled, you got a is equals to 27 upon 3, which is 9. Therefore our required answer a is equals to 9. Right friends? Once again I am saying as it was given 3 is a 0 of polynomial 3x cube minus x square minus ax minus 45, it means that 3 is a 0 of this polynomial px, it means x is equals to 3 satisfies this polynomial px. Satisfy का meaning क्या होता है? When you substitute the value of x as a 3, then the value of this polynomial becomes 0. ठीक है? चलो. Now we have substituted 3 raised 3 into x cube, it was so 3 cube minus x square 3 square minus a into x, it means a into 3 minus 45, और हमने इसको simplify किया, we got the value of a which is 9. Right? Let us move on the next question, question number 4. Okay friends, see the question number 4. In this, what is given? Question 4 is given that find the quadratic polynomial, the sum and the product of whose zeros are minus 7 by 3 and 4 by 3 respectively. What is given? Find the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are respectively. Okay, so the question number 4. See the solution of this. In this, we are going to find out the quadratic polynomial. In this, it is given that sum and product of the zeros are given. So let alpha and beta are the product, are the zeros of this polynomial. What is given? Whose we are going to find out the quadratic polynomial. Let alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Zeros of p of x quadratic polynomial, right? So sum of these zeros are given, means as sum of the zeros are given, sum of zeros, sum of zeros, which is sum of zeros in this given minus 7 upon 3, minus 7 upon 3, right? And sum of zeros, it means alpha plus beta, which is minus 7 upon 3, right friends? Therefore alpha plus beta is equals to minus 7 upon 3, and you know that the formula sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. So let us, since alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a is equals to minus 7 upon 3. So minus is cancelled from both the side. You can write it b upon 7 is equals to a upon 3. Consider this is equals to k. Are you getting this method? As 7 and a can be cross multiplied, b and 3 also. So what हमने क्या किया इसको, this a can is written here in the denominator, in the numerator, and this 7 is written here in the denominator. Now as these three fractions are, these three real numbers are equal, so when you take first, and from here we are getting b is equals to 7k and a is equals to 3k. b की वैल्यू 7k मिला हमें और a की वैल्यू 3k. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम? चल, as it was given this sum of zeros, so from this we got a is equals to 7, b is equals to 7k and a is equals to 3k. So let us take the next information, which is the product of zeros. Our product of zeros, in this it is given that that is equals to 4 upon 3, and product of zeros equals to c upon a. It means that is given 4 upon 3. which is alpha into beta. Means alpha into beta is equals to 4 upon 3, which is equals to C upon A, that is 4 by 3. Right friends? So as C upon A is equals to 4 upon 3, so this can be written as C by 4 equals to A by 3. Say this is also is equals to K, or you can substitute the value of, as we are going to find out, we got B A, it means हमें C की value find करनी है. So substitute the value of A, which is 3K here. So C upon 4 is equals to 3K upon 3, as since A is equals to 3K. Okay, so you got C is equals to 4K, right? So after getting these three values, C, B and A, so you have the quadratic for general form of quadratic polynomial is equals to ax square. Our standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Now substitute the value of a, b and c here. A is 3k, it means this can be written as 3k x square plus bx. B is 7k, so 7k x plus c, c is 4k. Is there anything common in this? K is common, so you can take the common. Then you get k into 3x square plus 7x plus 4. Product of zeros is 4 upon 3. Right friends? One more method I had given you, which is totally based on the formula. That method also you can adopt. That is also easy. Right? Sure. After completing this question, question number 4, let's start the next question. Right friends? किसी भी स्टेप में आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम तो है नहीं? Sum of zeros was given -7 upon 3. So sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equals to -7 upon 3, or alpha plus beta means minus b upon a, as you have read. Minus b upon a. From here we got the value of b is equals to 7k and a is equals to 3k. Okay? After getting the values of b and a, we have used the second information, product of zeros, and product of zeros is 4 upon 3, means alpha into beta is equals to 4 upon 3. And you know that the formula alpha into beta is equals to C upon A, which is 4 upon 3. Right? So C upon A is equals to 4 upon 3. Here the value of A you have substituted as 3k here from here. So हमें C की value मिलेगी, that is 4k. After getting the value of this A, B and C, A is 3k, B is 7k and C is 4k. After getting these three values, you just write down the standard form of this quadratic polynomial. And the standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. A, substitute the value of a, b and c over here. A is 3k, b is 7k and c is 4k. We got the quadratic polynomial k into 3x square plus 7x plus 4, where k is the constant. Right? Any arbitrary constants you can write. चलो, अभी इसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद हम अपने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. ठीक है? And our next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is find the quadratic polynomial. Just similar question it is, but we need to, इस question में हम आपको the method which is given in your textbook also, that I am going to explain you. What is given in this? In the question number 5, find the quadratic polynomial. The sum and product of whose zeros are 8 by 5 and 3 by 5 respectively. Okay? So, question number 5, find the quadratic polynomial quadratic polynomial find the quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros, the sum and product of whose zeros the sum and product of whose zeros are sum and product of whose zeros are 8 by 5 and 3 by 5 respectively. 8 by 5 and 3 by 5 respectively. Right friends? So the method similar you can use, but हम अभी आपको क्या कह रहे थे कि हम आपको second method भी बता देते by the formula method. So as here sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. So sum of zeros means, since sum of zeros means alpha plus beta, which is 8 upon 5. That is alpha plus beta is equals to 8 upon 5. Okay? And the second information is given product of zeros. And second is given product of zeros. Product of zeros is 3 upon 5. Right friends? Product of zeros is 3 upon 5. It means alpha into beta is equals to 3 upon 5. Right? Now you are going to find out the quadratic polynomial by the formula method. So formula what is? Formula क्या है? In the form of sum and product of zeros. So our quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial in the form of its zeros, in the form of its zeros are p of x equals to k into x square minus sum of zeros means alpha plus beta into x plus product of zeros means alpha into beta. This is our formula. With this formula we can get our quadratic polynomial easily. अभी हमें सिर्फ क्या करना है, इस सम ऑफ जीरोस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस अल्फा इनटू बीटा की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना और सॉल्व कर लेना. सो k into x square minus sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is 8 upon 5. So this can be written as 8x upon 5 plus product of zeros means alpha into beta, which is 3 upon 5. 8x plus 3. Now it can be written as k upon 5, 5x square minus 8x plus 3. Right? Now this k upon 5 is k dash, the second constant. So our required polynomial is k dash 5x square minus 8x plus 3 is our required answer of this question. So the friends, which method is easy for you? जो आपको ऐसा लगे कि यह मेथड हमारा इजी है, I can attempt with this method, our solution you can adopt it. It is perfect. The method formula आपको learn रहना चाहिए. ठीक है? So let's start the question number 6 in this. Question number 6. कोई प्रॉब्लम? आई थिंक आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो सकती. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question 6 is given, find the sum and product of zeros of the polynomial. sum and product of zeros of this polynomial we are going to find out. Question number 6. Okay friends, see the question number 6. In this 6, given that find sum and product of zeros and product of zeros find sum and product of zeros of the polynomial p of x equals to 3x square minus x and minus 4. राइट, हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? इसके zeros का सम और प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करना है. एंड सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, to solve this type of question, first you have to recognize which type of polynomial is this. पहले आपको ये recognize करना है. So as from the degree it is clear that this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. कौन सा polynomial है? Quadratic polynomial है, because इसकी डिग्री क्या है? 2 है. So the standard form of the quadratic polynomial, since standard form of quadratic polynomial p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, ये हमारा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होता है. राइट, सो लेट अस कंपेयर दिस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल बाय दिस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. इस पॉलिनोमियल को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से कंपेयर करो और उसकी कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ x स्क्वायर, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x and the constant term we need to find out, means to find the value of a, b and c. so जब आप इसको कंपेयर करते हो, so you are getting a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 1 and c is equals to minus 4. a, b और c की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के बाद अब हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है इसका सम एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ zeros, you can find it easily. So as you know, first part, sum of zeros means minus b upon a, and sum of zeros in mathematical form it is written as alpha plus beta, which is minus b is minus 1 upon a is 3. So what you got, alpha plus beta is equals to 1 upon 3. This is the first answer. और ये कौन सा आंसर है? सम ऑफ zeros. अभी सेकेंड इज रिमेनिंग, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ zeros में फाइंड करना है. So to find out the product of zeros, second part, product of zeros means given product of zeros formula, you know that c upon a, and product of zeros is alpha into beta, where c is minus 4 upon a is 3. This is the second answer of this question. It is sum of zeros and it is product of zeros. Right friends? So formula, keep it hidden. Sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a, and product of zeros is equals to c upon a, that is alpha into beta. So to learn these formulas, you can solve this type of questions easily, right? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to compare this quadratic polynomial by the standard form. After comparison of these two quadratic polynomial, clearly it is visible a, the value of a, b and c, easily you can find it. A, B और C की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के बाद, after getting the value of A, B and C, then you can apply the formula sum of zeros is minus B upon A, और minus B upon A, B और A की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, we got sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equals to 1 upon 3, and product of zeros which is equals to C upon A means alpha into beta is equals to minus 4 upon 3, as C minus 4 and A was 3. ठीक, कोई प्रॉब्लम? हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर आते हैं, अपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पर आते हैं. इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, question number 7 is given. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. कौन सा मेथड हमें अडॉप्ट करना है? Substitution method. So solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. Question number 7, part 1. We are going to solve the pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equation by substitution method. Okay friends, so let's see the first question of this part. First question is given, x plus y is equals to 7. X plus y is equals to 7. Equation number 1. And second equation is 7x minus y is equals to 1. 7x minus y is equals to 1. ये आपका second equation है. और we are going to solve these two pair of linear equation by the substitution method. Substitution method we are going to adopt. Equation first. Solving equation 1 we get, as equation 1 is x plus y is equals to 7, right? So find the value of one variable, so means these two in the form of other variable. तो हम क्या करते हैं? We are going to find the value of y in terms of x. So let us see what will be the value of y. Y is equals to 7 minus x, right? Now substitute this value of y in equation 7. This method is substitution. Substitute y is equals to 7 minus x in equation 7 we get. Let's see. Equation second is 7x minus y, and the value of y is 7 minus x is equals to 1. ये y की वैल्यू हमने इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. Now let us solve it. 7x minus 7 plus x is equals to 1. So you will get 7x plus 1x is equals to 8x is equals to 1 plus 7. Therefore 8x is equals to 8. So x is equals to, we will get x is equals to 8 upon 8, which is 1. So we got x is, you will get the value of y, right? So substitute x is equals to 1 in equation 1. So as equation 1 is x plus y is equals to 7. So x की value 1 substitute करते हैं. So 1 plus y is equals to 7. So we will get y is equals to 7 minus 1, which is 6. Therefore our solution of this equation is x, y and x is equals to 1 y is equals to 6. Right friends? So from the next and other questions, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम फील हो रही हो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं, हम उसका सॉल्यूशन देंगे एंड वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन. थैंक यू.